Welcome, guys. Yes, we are in another segment. Welcome to DongCheng Power 2 from GZ Industrial Supplies. Here today we are going to show you how to use the DongCheng cordless angle grinder DCSMO3 125. So guys, we are going to show you how to install this and use it, to test it and see how it works. Come on, look over. So right here you have your manual and you have your accessories over here. This uses also a 20 volt 5 amps battery. You can see it, have a look. It comes with 2 lithium ion batteries with a fast efficient multiple charger. You can see it, very fast and efficient. And here you have your cordless angle grinder. It's actually a brushless machine, so you have no stress for brush and any other thing. It's just a brushless angle grinder. You have your auxiliary handle, and you have your guard protector. So guys, we are going to do a show to show you how to use these tools and efficiently use it on other things you want to do. So guys, let's start with this. Now this is your, look at it, this is your brush for what we are going to do. You insert it here. Sorry. First of all, you put your guide. And then you put this. Put it here. You have to press this down so it can seize it for it to tight. Okay guys, our machine is ready and we are going to insert our lithium ion battery so we can see how it goes. So this is it guys, and then so let's test this filing machine and see how it works. You can see how fast it is. You can see the power of the machine. So guys, you can see how fast our filing machine works over here. You can see try it on another end. So guys, you can see it's still powering, very strong and efficient. This is the DongCheng DCSMO3 DongCheng cordless angle grinder. So we are all over in Nigeria. We are GZ Industrial Supplies. We are in Calabar, we are in Abuja, we are in Lagos, we are in Port Harcourt. You can go on our site, GZ Industrial Supplies, and request for any of these tools. You will get it wherever you are in Nigeria. Thank you and you're welcome. Hope to see you some other time, guys.